Welcome to myGPcloud. My name is Steve, and next we're going to take a look at standard reports that come with Dynamics GP. We'll be looking at running those reports, specifying selection criteria, and modifying those reports. Dynamics GP comes with hundreds of standard reports. These reports are in all the different areas within GP and allow you to easily access data within GP. Let's take a look at how you access those reports. In GP, I want to go to the menu bar at the top and go to Reports, and when I click on that, you'll see all the different areas within GP. Let's go to Purchasing. I highlight Purchasing and I have all the different types of reports within the purchasing group. I want to go to Trial Balance because what I want to do is create an age trial balance of all my vendors. Within this dialog box, I have a number of specific types of reports that I might want to choose. I'm going to select Age Trial Balance with Options. And then I'm going to specify a specific option because what I want to do is I want to create a report that just looks at the vendors from A to M. So let's do that now. And create a new option here and call it A to M. And you can see some of the options for this specific report that are available to me. And what I'm going to do is just put a selection criteria on the vendor ID and M. In fact, I'm going to make that MZ to make sure I get all the M's in there. I'm going to insert that. Now this is my selection criteria. It's going to only select vendors from A to M for this particular report. I want to go to Destination to make sure that I print it out to either the screen, the printer, or the file. I want to print it out to the screen here. I'll hit OK. And now I can save that if I want to. If I go back to my dialog box, that is now an option that I can select. I can insert that into my print list here and then print it. It's going to print out here. This is my screen display of this particular report. I can change the resolution on that by clicking up here. I can also print it out to printer by clicking on the print dialog box right here. Let's go back and look at this option that I selected. Go to AM. I'll modify that. Another thing that I can do is I can add it to the My Reports area. The My Reports area is on your home page. You can see that down here on my home page. I have no reports at this time, but I can add that report. If I hit My Reports, it's going to add it to my home page. I can change the description if I want to, or just select the default, which I will do. Then I'll just save that again. In order to see that show up in my reports area, what I want to do is refresh my home page and go up here and refresh. And now you can see that I've got the My Reports area. I've got this special report here. I'm going to click that open. And that'll just run the report automatically for me. What I like about this is if you've got a report that you go to on a regular basis, every time you click on that report in the My Reports area, it's going to go out, refresh the data, and present that report to you. Now there are literally hundreds of standard reports in Dynamics GP, and what you want to do is take a look at all the options, or some of the options, and just select the ones that make the most sense to you. If you find a good one that works for you, then you can modify that if you want it even further. In the last two videos, we've seen two great reporting tools that work directly with Dynamics GP. In the next videos, we'll take a look at some transaction processing. And for further information, please follow us on twitter.com/myGPcloud.